about to clean up our soap room. I want to turn this area into our shipping area where I package all my orders and stuff like that. And of course, this is gonna remain my soap making spot and other things. And we have our soaps on this side. I have to get a, what's it called? I have to get a steamer so I can steam the tap. We have quite a bit of ash, soda ash, especially on this one. Look at this soda ash. Okay, so a little bit on that too. And we got some on this one, but not really. And I'm actually gonna try out this soap today. It's ready to be used on skin. So yeah, we're just gonna clear that spot out. And then this is always, I wanted to make this side my shipping and like my shipping, my packaging orders side, but then I want my soap ingredients to be closer to my table, so I'll leave it like that. And I also like the fact that it's closer to the window, I guess, in a way, because those things wouldn't really fit on the side, if it makes sense, like the measurements and all. Plus it will kind of block off the door if someone try to get in here. So we'll keep it on this side. And I don't want to have to like move all this stuff. So we're just gonna, let's deal with this, and that I'll give you guys an update on how it looks. But yeah, so I'll give you guys an after look on how it turns out. That's all my shipping labels and stuff. So this is a little progress on where we are. We cleared off the spot we want to use, but I'm not sure if I want to use this table or this big one right here. This is a 6 foot table, and this is probably 4 feet. I'm gonna measure it. Yeah, this is a 4 feet table, but I don't want it to take up too much space, so I might just go ahead and use this 4 feet one, because I usually use this one for events. So you know what, yeah, I'm gonna keep this one out and use the small one. We'll see how it goes. Yay, how it's looking like. It's not too close to the door, so people can still come in and not bump into something. And I wanted it to align with the picture frame, but if I align it with the picture frame, it's gonna be in a doorway. So that's good for now. Let's go ahead and put our stuff on the table. Use this tablecloth. This is for our 6 foot table, but I kind of manipulate it so it fits the 4 feet table. You can see there's a lot of drippy cloth on the bottom. That's because it's not the size for the table. But I'm getting a new cloth for my events, so this won't be used. I thought I'd use it for my little packaging area to package my stuff, and I can store some things under the table. So yeah. Okay guys, this is how it looks. Let me just put this down. Okay, so this is when you walk into the soap room. That's my logo over there that I made from scratch, and that's my shipping station. We got our, here, let's go closer. We got our business cards, thank you cards, and our weight to measure the, what's it called, the package, so we can know, oh, they'll know how much to charge you. And this is our soap station where we make our soaps. Keep saying our, I guess it is our. This is all of our things. Those are soap that I'll be doing for a giveaway soon. Those are ingredients. We got some soap curing over here. We got some coffee soap and turmeric soap. And this is our oils and raw ingredients. And this is our other little station over here. Yeah, I'm missing a Y on this VoyageFlower LLC. There's supposed to be a Y, but it dropped somewhere. And we got our aloe vera soap here. I had it for a couple months now. Seems like it's doing good and liking the environment. So yeah, that's all. The only difference I made with this room, was station this shipping and packaging area over here, using the my old table that I used to use and a tablecloth I used to use for in-person events. I will no longer be using that because I have a bigger table now and I have some branded tablecloth and stuff, so thank God for that. But yeah, that's it. Okay guys, so that is all for my soap room tour, and how I organize my shipping and packaging area. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and if you're new, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If you enjoy watching natural DIY natural skincare remedies that you can do at home, natural skincare products being made, and other entrepreneur series and topics. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you again in my next one. Amahoro.